In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send HTML email template in Outlook. We're going to take a saved HTML file and place it directly into the body of an email so your recipients see the styled message as intended, not as an attachment. This walkthrough is for the Outlook desktop app on Windows, where the option we need is available. Start by opening Outlook, then create a new message. A fresh Compose window will open. Outlook typically uses HTML as the default message format, which is exactly what we want for a template-based email. In the new message window, go to the ribbon at the top and switch to the Insert tab. From there, choose Attach File. This might feel counterintuitive, but we're doing this so Outlook gives us the advanced insert options we need. A file picker will appear. Navigate to the folder where your HTML template is saved and select the .html or .htm file you want to send. Don't double click it yet. Look toward the bottom right of the file picker where the Insert button is. Click the small arrow next to Insert to open its drop down menu and choose Insert as text. That's the key step. Instead of attaching the file, Outlook will place the HTML into the message body and render it as designed. You should now see your formatted email right in the Compose window. Skim through it to confirm that headings, fonts, colors, and layout look as expected. If something appears off, it's often due to Outlook's limited CSS support. Inline styles generally work best, while things like external style sheets, background images, or complex positioning may not render reliably. Also note that images referenced by web URLs can be blocked by some recipients until they allow downloads, so make sure any critical information is in text. With the content in place, add your recipient in the To field and include CC or BCC if needed. Then craft a clear, concise subject line that matches the content of the template. Avoid overly promotional phrasing and excessive punctuation, which can trigger filters. When everything looks right, press Send. Outlook will deliver the message with your HTML preserved in the body, not as an attachment. If you don't see the Insert as text option in your version of Outlook, you're likely not on the Windows desktop app where this method is supported. Keep your template clean, rely on simple, well-tested HTML and inline CSS, and your message should display consistently for most recipients.